Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make Limbo keys in Geometry Dash. So let's start with the first step, which is open the object menu. So in the level editor, open the object menu and navigate to the decoration sections to find the key objects. Next step is select your key object and open the color customization panel. And in here, you just have to set the colors to dark grays and blacks to the Limbo silhouette effect. You can also use pure black, which is number 00000 for the most dramatic silhouette look. Next step is add a subtle glow effect and use the blend mode settings to create that atmospheric limbo aesthetic. Next step is duplicate the place your limbo style keys throughout the level with shadow effects for depth. And lastly is complete the limbo aesthetic. So your level now features beautiful limbo style keys. You can also add fog, grayscale backgrounds to complete the look. So you can also combine with move triggers for floating key animations. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!